Hi, this is James, here with Spartan Storm Services on Jim Conley's roof. We are here to document an attempt to repair the wind damage to his roof. Allstate has paid for repairs. Just an overview of the roof of what we will be running into. All of these markings, this is all the wind damage to the roof. On the front slope, we have 20 damaged shingles. See fractures, stage 1 wind damage, and then eventually this is what happens after a few storms. So here to document the repairs, to see if we can in fact repair this roof with no issues. I like to document my repairs to show I am working in good faith and not trying to pull a fast one on anybody. So be working right here. Awesome. Shows up good in the camera. We'll start by unsealing the surrounding shingles to remove fasteners to free out the damaged shingle. To begin with, we are experiencing some transfer. Upper and lower delamination. It does compromise the shingle's ability to reseal. After we do get the new repair in, as hunks of the bottom shingle are now in the sealant strip. Those hunks in the shingle will make it difficult for the shingle to seal with the new repairs sealant strip. A lot of these nail heads are rusted, which is a clear indicator that moisture is getting up underneath these shingles. This is why we need to restore this roof properly, so that that water remains on the outside of the home. It doesn't damage the interior. Last nail. Should be good to go here. I want to show you what I'm talking about as far as transfer. So you see here on the shingle, this is hunks of the top course of shingle. When you're trying to separate the shingles to remove, as you can see here, hunks of the top shingle are now pulled out. This can be an issue with the shingles resealing. As you can see here, you see hunks of the top shingle are now in the sealant strip. So now this is going to be an issue that this shingle is not going to reseal because the sealant strip has been compromised. Same thing here. Right here, you can see it. All right, set it back down. Right angle again. Try to get this done before the sun malfunctions. No, this is one of the cooler days. Still about 90-95 degrees up here on the roof. Make sure my line is straight. Now what I need to to gain enough clearance to strike the fastener flush to the roof deck. I have to lift the shingles to about 45 degrees. Just to gain enough clearance to make sure that nail heads are flush to the roof deck. Any angled nailing could result in interior damage. As I spoke before on, there's a clear indication that water is getting up underneath the shingles already. A lot of the old fasteners did have rust and oxidation on the nail. This shingle gets two fasteners because it is a what we call a butt joint. Already. Now that the shingle, the new repair, is fastened in place, what we're going to do is any fractures that have occurred on the shingle will be visible after the next rainstorm, but we will not be here. So what I'm going to do is gently simulate rain. Any fractures, any granules that have popped loose from the maneuverability of the surrounding shingles to fasten in the new repair will be present by gently just wiping the top. You can see we already have fractures right here, right here, right here. Really not going to get a lot of fractures on the first course because after we remove both courses of nails, this shingle down here is going to have more flexion, but these shingles, this course right here, is still nailed in up here. So these shingles have less flexibility. So even though we are getting some fracturing off of this first course, it's mainly this top course that is fracturing because of, you know, this course we removed all the nails, so it had more flexion. This one was still nailed in up here with these shingles, so the flexion of these shingles are less, if that makes sense. Not the best at explaining things sometimes, but these damages are occurring during the repairs due to the shingles not being pliable and being brittle, and the amount of repairs still needing to be done. Like I said, on the front slope there's about 20 wind damage shingles, and on the back we have 5. Take you to the back here. I'm going to attempt a repair back here. Well, actually looks like there might be 6. Looks like I missed one. Yeah, missed a shingle here. So there's actually 6 on the back. You can see the fracture where the wind picked it up, fractured the shingle. So there's 6 on the back that I need to repair, 20 on the front. That is a large amount. So the front has failed the repair attempt. I'm now going to do a repair on the back to see if the same issue has occurred. And I will send all of this into Allstate for further review. And then you guys let me know what you guys want to do and how you want to proceed. Thank you for your time.